that's the beautiful. That's the South Rose window. Yeah.
Facing you, the artificial bridge, which is the lowest bridge of Paris.
It's like a bus on the river. Yeah.
Has been totally overwhelmed by
Yeah, it
water
is.
during the great floods in
Beautiful park behind
1910.
the.
Oh.
Oh, there's something I've got on.
The artificial bridge in front of you.